Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your locked games on your PlayStation 5 Pro account. And you can see I have some of these games that have this huge lock symbol by it. And I want to go ahead and play these. So if I select Fibbage right here and I go to view product, it actually makes me want to buy it. So it must be like a PlayStation Plus game or something like that. So what I want to do is go up to the top and go to settings right here. Scroll line down to users and accounts. And if we go on over to where it says other, there's a couple different things we can try under here. Now, the first thing is console sharing and offline play. Allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media, even when the console is offline. So if you haven't already done this, go over to where it says enable. Now, you might run into an issue when enabling because your other PS5 is already considered your home PlayStation. So, what you need to do is go over to your older PlayStation 5, go to the setting and go to disable. Then you can go to a new console, your new PlayStation 5 Pro, and then go to enable. Now, if that doesn't work, we can go on over to restore licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So if it's got a lock symbol next to it, go to this right here, and boom, you should be able to play that. And I have to select all the different games, and then I should be able to play them. So let's go to select right here, and then download the licenses right over here. So let's go to restore. Now, these are just games I currently have installed on my PlayStation 5 Pro. The other ones were from my account. So doing this might work for the games that you have installed, but it might not work for the games that you have in your library. Where going to console sharing offline play might work for you there. Now, another thing that you could try is signing out of your account and then simply signing in. That could help as well. Just redoing and refreshing any kind of thing added to your account and then log back in. So, yep, definitely try those out. Hopefully, this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.